destination.
Behind this one or here? Okay. Yes. Okay, thank you. Been wishing for you.
In 200 meters, turn left.
Been wishing.
Turn left. In 200 meters, turn left.
Bro, you know anywhere in Bukit Tinggi can find durian or maybe around Bukit Tinggi or maybe Batu Nilam or Pandamaran durian.
Turn left. In 800 meters, at the roundabout, take the first exit.
Later first. I drive a bit more first.
In 200 meters, at the roundabout, take the first exit.
place with shelter that can stop. Oh, very hot lah.
In 400 meters, at the roundabout, take the second exit. In 200 meters, at the roundabout, take the second exit.
Inside the gates, I did